everyone, welcome to another exciting episode with Bestate Investments. And right here we're going to be touring a 2-bedroom terrace duplex located in Adesanya, Ajah, Lagos. And this is a solar powered service estate that comes with basic amenities and so much more. So I'm so excited to show you this amazing estate. I'm so excited to show you this property. So come with me, let's take a look. Okay, so starting from the entrance of the estate, you have the driveway that takes you all the way from the beginning of the estate down to the end of the estate. And then on my right, you have the estate office that has the facility manager. And on my left, you have the recreational facilities where you have the 5-a-side football pitch. You have the pool area where you have the standard pool for the adults and also a pool for the kids, right? And also you have the green area where you have the flower plants by my right and left. You also have interlocked roads and also beautifully situated street lights. And one amazing thing about this estate is that you can see how many units are in this estate, but it's very well spacious and doesn't look at all too congested. So come with me, let's take a look at the beautiful interior of this house. So welcome to the interior of this beautiful home. And right here we have the door, the 6.5-foot door that has a smart lock that leads all the way into this beautiful, spacious living area. And here you also have the TV console that comes with a wooden panel, and also you have the visitor's toilet, and you have the chandelier, you have the inbuilt Bluetooth speakers, and also you have your beautiful lights. You have the spotlight, you have your LED light that beautifully lights up the living area. And over here you have your lovely dining area, right? And just behind it you have your mini bar for drinks and relaxation. So follow me, let me take you into the kitchen of this lovely home. So welcome to the spacious kitchen of this lovely apartment, and this is a fully fitted kitchen, right? A spacious fully fitted kitchen where you have the microwave over here, right? You have the oven over here, you have the kitchen cabinets for storage, right? You have the countertop, right? You have your kitchen burner, you have your heat extractor, you have your kitchen sink, you have the dishwasher, you have your washing machine, and so much more. So you can look at how beautifully done this kitchen is, how spacious it is. So the way it's beautifully painted, I feel this is personally my favorite part of this house, right? Going upstairs now, we're going over to the family lounge on the upper floor. So come with me. So over here you have the family lounge. As you can see how spacious this is, right? You have the couch over here, and you also have a beautiful view, a beautiful outdoor view for relaxation, right? So you can get a beautiful view of the estate from, you know, this area. So over here you have the solar panels, right, for this particular unit. And you have the 2 bedrooms over here. This is the first room. This bedroom is en suite. It has its own toilet, you know, has its own walk-in shower, has its own water heater, you know, it has its own sink and towel handle, and it's very well lit. You have your master's bedroom. Look at how beautiful this is done, right? How spacious it is, aesthetically pleasing it is. You have your king side bed over here. You have your chandelier. You have your floor-to-ceiling wardrobe, right? And of course, it's en suite. It has its own spacious toilet, walk-in shower. You know, it has its own smart mirror. It has its own basin. It has its own toilet. Just beautifully lit, you know, all around, right? So this is one house and unit that you do not want to miss out on, right? Everything has been so carefully done. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this beautiful tour, and please note that this unit doesn't come furnished, but it comes fully finished, right? Don't just only have this. We have other units. We have 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom terrace duplexes, and 4-bedroom terrace duplexes, all for you, right? So if you want to find out more information on the prices and the payment plan, please check the description box down below, and I'll see you next time.